Hey guys, it's Skylar and welcome back. Today's video is a lot different than anything I've ever done before. Most of my videos I've noticed are either tutorials or they are reviews, and I felt like, my channel's a little too serious, so I'm gonna do something a little bit different. And today we are doing the no mirror makeup challenge. Now this isn't anything new, it's been done several times, but I thought I would try it myself and do something a little different for a change. I did pick out palettes that didn't have any mirrors in them because I didn't want to be able to cheat, so to speak. And then my mirror that I usually have over here is gone. It's on the floor. I can't see myself. And then I obviously have my monitor off. It's turned away from me, so I couldn't even see my reflection in the black screen. So yeah, I don't have any way to cheat. I can't see myself, which is really weird. With that being said, I'm literally just gonna jump right to today's video. So the first product I'm gonna go in with is my No Problem Primer by Touch in Sol. I got this in Boxy Charm. I don't remember which box, but it was recent. But it is a primer, and I think it's always important to start with a primer. So I'm gonna take some of that and rub that in on my cheeks. This is like the easiest part. I feel like the most difficult part for me is going to be trying to put on my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are weird. I don't really have any, and so to try and put them on without a mirror is gonna be a disaster. They are not gonna be even, but I think it'll be really funny to see how they turn out. All right, foundation. I'm going in with Born This Way foundation. I also forgot to mention this makeup look is pretty basic because I didn't want to have you guys sitting here for years while I'm trying to put on makeup without a mirror. So I thought I would do something kind of basic and I can just kind of like go through it, I'm going in with the Morphe M439 brush. It is a foundation brush. It's one of my favorites, even though I do prefer sponges over brushes, whatever. I figured a brush would be a lot easier to use. I can kind of feel where it's going. I feel like it'll blend it out a lot better, hopefully. I don't really know. I'm just kind of hoping and praying, and I'm hoping this is blending out. I'm gonna go in with concealer, and we're just gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I definitely forgot to bring a beauty blender with me, so I'm gonna use a concealer brush that I have right here. This is just one of the Morphe ones that I got in the 702 set, and I'm just gonna kind of apply concealer where I normally apply it, I guess. And I think we're doing good. I can't really tell. We're gonna say it's good, okay? I'm going with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, and I'm going in with a Morphe E3 brush, and I'm just gonna put powder all over my face. I don't normally put it all over my face, but I'm hoping that maybe it'll kind of salvage that horrible concealer placement I just did. I'm going in with the Sephora, this is the Spice Market blush palette. This is the only palette that I have that is blush, bronzer, highlighter that doesn't have a mirror on it. You also have to be really careful with this palette though if you're fair-skinned like myself, because you can easily put on way too much bronzer and blush if you're not careful, because it is pretty dark. I'm going in with this bronze shade right here, and I'm picking up some of that on the Morphe M438 brush, and I'm going to tap off the excess because I'm hoping it's not going to be too dark, and I'm just going to apply where I normally do, or I think I'm applying it to where I normally do. This could be, I don't know how dark this is, so it could look either really good or really bad. I'm just gonna keep blending. I'm going in with my Morphe M523 brush, and I think I'm gonna go in with some of this pretty orangey blush right here, And I'm gonna pick up some of that and tap off the excess, and I'm gonna tap it on the back of my hand a little bit too, so hopefully it won't be too dark. And I'm just gonna attempt to apply this to where I think the apples of my cheeks are. I hope this is not too dark. I feel like I probably should have taken it. I'm going with my Morphe M310 brush. It's just a fan brush, and I'm picking up the only highlight shade in here and applying that to the tops of my cheeks. This is like the only part of this whole makeup routine that I can do successfully, probably, because I love highlight so much. If you don't know where your highlight's going, girl, I don't know what to tell you. Now we're going in with the most difficult part of the whole process, and I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows. I'm, of course, going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium. It would probably be easier to use a pencil, to be honest, but you know what? I like to live life on the edge, so that's what we're doing. And I'm going in with a Morphe. This is just an eyebrow and spoolie brush. I got it in the 702 set, I think. So that is what I'm using. I literally, this is gonna be, I'm just gonna have to feel and pray. I never usually do my eyebrows on camera. You guys know I have like a whole tutorial dedicated to it, and so I always just skip this part, but I guess we're gonna be doing it on camera today, and I'm gonna pray. All right, where are my eyebrows? I think they start here. Wait, it's really hard because you can't feel. Where am I going? Oh my god. Oh god. I can just feel that it's wrong. Where are you? Okay. I don't even know. I think that's on. Right? Oh my god, I didn't even know where I stopped. I probably should have touched there. You know what? We're just gonna wing it. I think, like, tail? Yeah. I think that's good. I think we're looking really good right now. Okay. Just add some hair strokes. Yo, I don't even know where to, like, bring this. Do I tail here? This is so hard. Where are we at? I don't know. All right, we're gonna try and fade the front of my brow. I think this is the front of my, oh, we definitely just did that way too dark. Am I even on my eyebrow? Okay, we're gonna call that a day for eyebrow 1. Next eyebrow. I feel like maybe I should just kind of like put my finger here and be like, this is where it's at. I think my eyebrow starts here. I know this is not a straight line. I don't even know if I'm applying product right now. Down? Shit, I don't know. We're just gonna apply some of that natural looking eyebrow hairs. Maybe this will look really good. I'm gonna say that's good for my eyebrows because I really don't know and I can't feel. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel in chocolate, and we're gonna attempt to apply this to my eyebrow hairs. Actually, I think I can do this a little bit more successfully because I can kind of feel where the hairs are. A little bit. I've done this so many times that, like, if I don't fill in my eyebrows, this is usually what I go in with. So I feel like I can tell where they are. All right, brows done. We're gonna go in with the Morphe. This is the 3502 set, and I'm just gonna do a really simple smoky eye because, like I said, I didn't want to spend too much time with the eyeshadow because I felt like you guys would just be sitting here for a really long time. There is no mirror in this palette, just so you know that I'm not lying to you guys. I'm gonna go in with this shade first, right over here, because it'll be a nice transition shade. I don't even know if you guys can see the colors I'm pointing to in this palette because I don't have my monitor up, so I can't tell. I'm gonna put this right in my crease. I don't even know if this eyeshadow will blend out as well as normal because I literally, first of all, I can't see what I'm doing, and I didn't conceal that well, I don't think, and I also struggled really hard with powder. With powder. How do you struggle with translucent powder? Trust me, I would find a way. Ooh, okay. We're applying this into the crease, and I'm just going in circular motions, as well as praying. And when you feel like you have that color on pretty good, I say pretty good because it's not gonna be perfect, I'm gonna go in with the next shade, just like this brown one over here, just to deepen up the crease a little bit more. And apply that kind of like on the outer corner, and then just start to bring it into the crease. And go in circular motions to hopefully blend that out into the first shade that we put down. I don't really know, I'm just kind of going with it. I'm going in with this dark brown right here, and I'm going in with a smaller Morphe brush, picking that up, and then applying that to the outer corner. Just kind of stamping it on it first, we'll go in and blend it out afterwards. Going back in with that fluffy brush we used to blend out the first two shades, and I'm just gonna blend out that dark brown. Going in with this lighter brown again in this brush, the smaller brush, and picking some of that up and just applying it all over the lid. We're gonna give it one last blend, because I think that it'll help it. All right, looking good. I was gonna go in with winged eyeliner. You know what, actually we are, because it'll be fun. This is the Kat Von D Trooper Black Tattoo Liner. I'm gonna attempt to do eyeliner and maybe do a wing. I am also paranoid I'm gonna poke my eye out with this, so maybe I'll just close my eye. Yeah, we're doing good. It's really difficult for someone like me to do winged eyeliner because my eyes are hooded. So, not really bad, but enough where, like, I have to be careful where I place the wing, because if I don't, it looks like my whole lid is getting swallowed. All right. Wing, good. We're gonna connect that, I think. lid, lid. I'm like trying to feel where my eyelashes are. I feel like this is hella thick. Alright. When we get to the end, I'm gonna... Alright, I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. We're gonna go in with some liquid lipstick. I'm gonna start off with outlining my lips in Dirty Little Secret. This is in the Rosy Posy shade. And normally I overline my lips a little bit because I have really tiny lips, but we're just gonna go with it. I'm going with the Dose of Colors Los Angeles Liquid Lip. And we're gonna apply that all over to the lips. Alright, I'm gonna try and... Yeah, we're gonna try and curl my lashes. And then I'm gonna go in with the... Oh, I don't actually know if I'm curling my lashes right now. I think we are. Maybe? I don't know. And then I'm gonna go in with the It Cosmetics. This is the Superhero Mascara. And we're gonna just apply that to the lashes. Okay. So this is the final look. I think it's stunning. I haven't looked at it yet, but I'm just gonna assume that it's nothing but good things. I don't know. I feel like this is either gonna be really bad or really good. There's no in between. Anyways. Oh. No. Oh my god. What did I do? Okay, it could be worse though. I feel like it definitely... This eyebrow, okay. This eyebrow could be fixable. I think. This one, there's no hope for this eyebrow. My mascara, yikes. I have it in my eye. How did I get it in my eye? And the eyeshadow, it's not even blended. And the winged liner. Oh my god. I knew when I put on the winged eyeliner, it's like, this is gonna be way too thick, but I did it anyways. Oh, and even the liquid lipstick is just a mess. I feel like... Okay, besides the fact that the blush is way too thick, like it's too pigmented, I put on way too much, I feel like it isn't that bad. Kind of. I don't know how well the camera picks it up. Okay, but the highlight though, the highlight is good. The highlight, I don't know what it is. The Sephora palette always comes off as being kind of green, and I'm not sure I'm a fan of that. But regardless, I put the highlight on the right spot. That is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you want me to do more videos like this one, where I kind of just do a random challenge or something a little different than a tutorial or a review, let me know, and I can certainly do that. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, so that way you guys can get additional content that you may not see here on YouTube. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Different than normal. Okay, mess. A lot of my videos are either makeup related or like a tutorial, or of course they're makeup related. Skylar, you literally are a makeup channel. Something I, when I looked back, wow, so natural.